everyone, this is Sweta Tuladhar from Atuse Online Study, and today I'm going to give you my presentation on constitutional bodies of Nepal. Fairness, transparency, and accountability are some of the qualities required to run a state. Only then a state can run in a proper way. In order to run a state body other than the executive, legislative, and judicial institution are also required. Therefore, a constitution generally mentions about these bodies. If any bodies are mentioned in the constitution itself, then they are called constitutional bodies. In Nepal, there are six constitutional bodies which are as follows: Auditor General, also called Mahalekha Parichak; Attorney General, Mahanyayadhish; Public Service Commission, Lok Seva Ayog; Commission for Investigation of Abuse of Authority, Akhtiyar Durupayog Anusandhan Ayog; Election Commission, Nirvachan Ayog; and National Human Rights Commission, that is Rashtriya Manav Adhikar Ayog. Auditor General. The Interim Constitution of Nepal 2063 has made a provision of the Auditor General. Auditor General is appointed by the President on the recommendation of the Constitutional Council. Auditor General keeps the financial accounts of all the government offices under the executive along with courts, parliament, Commission for Investigation of Abuse of Authority, Auditor General, Public Service Commission, Election Commission, Nepal Army, Nepal Police, and others. If there is an organization or company having 50% or more share owned by the government, then an accountant is appointed to keep the account of such company by taking suggestions from the Auditor General. Auditor General can also give necessary directives in this regard. The term of office of the Auditor General shall be 6 years from the date of appointment. Attorney General. Attorney General is one of the constitutional body or organs of Nepal. Attorney General's work is to function as the government's main legal advisor and give necessary legal advice to the government or any other officers appointed by the President on the recommendation of the Prime Minister. While performing her duty, he/she can stand before any courts, offices, or government officials in the country. He/she can make this work done by an officer working for him or her too. Public Service Commission. Selecting appropriate candidates for the post of civil service is the main work of Public Service Commission. It also gives necessary advice to the government regarding matters of civil service. In Public Service Commission, there is one chairperson and other members according to the requirement. Members of this body are selected from people who are engaged in government service, and other members are selected from the field of science, art, literature, law, or people who have worked in the field of research, teaching, or any other distinguished personality who have earned names and fames and are famous in their own field. Commission for Investigation of Abused Authority. If a person holding a government post or office does illegal work or abuses authority, then this commission can question and investigate that person. If a person holding a public post does some inappropriate work or abuses authority, then the commission can send a notice or take necessary actions to make that person aware. There is one chief commissioner and requires a number of other commissioners. Election Commission. This commission conducts, directs, and controls all elections of parliament, village, municipality, and local bodies in the line with the law and constitution of the country. In this regard, it also collects and prepares voters' lists. In Election Commission, there is one chief commissioner and other 4 election commissioners. National Human Rights Commission. This commission works to protect and promote human rights. It protects a person's right when his/her human right is being violated also gives necessary direction to him, her for compensation to the people who have been victimized due to a violation of human rights and works to make use of other rights and follow duties. In this commission, there is one president and four other members. So it was pleasure for me to share my knowledge via Atu's online study channel. More of the educational videos are on the way, so do press like button, share button and subscribe button, and do leave your valuable comments in comment box so that it would help us to improve our weakness and maintain better sides of us. So thank you.